Ready to host your own Zoom meeting. Whether you're leading a business meeting, teaching an online class, or chatting with friends and family, Zoom makes it easy to start a meeting in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to host a Zoom meeting in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch the Zoom Workplace app and sign in to your Zoom account. You'll need to be logged in before you can host a meeting. If you're already signed in, you'll go directly to the Zoom home screen. Next, click the New Meeting button. Zoom will immediately create a meeting room and connect you. If your camera is enabled, your video may turn on automatically depending on your settings. Once the meeting opens, check that your microphone and speakers are working properly. You can also turn your camera on or off using the controls at the bottom of the screen. Taking a few seconds to test your equipment can help avoid problems later. Now click Participants, then choose Invite. You can copy the meeting link or invitation details and send them through email, messaging apps, or any communication platform you prefer. Participants can join using either the meeting link or the meeting ID and passcode. While hosting, you'll have access to tools like Mute All, Security, Share Screen, Reactions, Chat, and Record, depending on your account type and permissions. These controls help keep your meeting organized and running smoothly. When your meeting is finished, click the End button in the lower right corner. Then choose whether to leave the meeting or end it for everyone. So once you confirm, the meeting will close for all participants if you choose to end it for everyone. And that's how to host a Zoom meeting. From starting the meeting to inviting participants and managing the session, you're now ready to host with confidence. After hosting a few meetings, using Zoom becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.